to another video. It's your boy Vegeta 70810, and I'm doing a quick unboxing on my new dash cam, VioFo A139. It's a 3-channel dash cam with the front, interior, and rear. Quad HD plus FHD plus FHD. With 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Infrared interior camera. I was going between this one and the vantrue camera. The vantrue camera didn't have apps to view the video, so I didn't pick that one. I picked this one. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Like the main camera. Power code. Yeah, that's the main camera. Oh shit. That looks like the rear camera. So I use some more sticky pads. Memory card reader. I bought 128 gigabyte endurance. It's supposed to be good for the heat, since it's going to be on the dash, on the windshield. It's your interior camera with the IR. And with that vantrue camera, it was like you have to take it off and bring a laptop or something and connect it to it. No, I'm not trying to go through all that. And this is your filter for the main camera. USB-C cable. Looks like your cable for your rear camera. This one should be for the interior. Cigarette lighter. If you plan to power it that way, I'm gonna power it that way in the meantime. Because I bought the little Dashcam HK3-C hardwire kit to hardwire it in my truck. And then I bought little fuse taps because I don't want to cut any wires. And then I finally got my truck so late, I realized the only fuse boxes under the hood. So I'm gonna just use the cigarette lighter in the meantime till I figure something out, because I really don't want to cut any wires or anything. And then I bought me a little circuit tester to test the fuses whenever I do that. If you want to get this dash cam, description. I'm gonna put it down below. All right, thanks for watching.